Swahili, bienvenue! Mabuhay po tayo dyan. And welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinas with Lourdes. Formation civique, okay, concernant notre santé. Santé is our health, okay? Because health is very important. Health is wealth. Why do we need to know? Cecily, for the health, we need to know the how French society functions. Connaître le fonctionnement de la société française. Okay, how? So first, next we have the santé. Santé, question. À quoi sert l'assurance maladie? À quoi sert l'assurance maladie? What is health insurance used for? A. À prendre en charge une partie les dépenses de santé. OK? À prendre en charge une partie les dépenses de santé. To cover part of a healthcare expenses. B. À payer les loyers. To pay your rent. C. À remplacer un diplôme. To replace a diploma. Ou D, à obtenir automatiquement un travail. To automatically get a job. So what do you think is the answer? À quoi sert l'assurance maladie? À tout de suite. La bonne réponse, c'est toujours 1, à prendre en charge une partie des dépenses de santé. To cover part of healthcare expenses. Okay? Okay. Justification. Or explanation. Justification. L'assurance maladie permet de remboursement d'une partie des soins et facilite l'accès aux soins pour les personnes résidant en France. Health insurance reimburses part of healthcare costs and helps people living in France access care. What do you call this assurance maladie? This assurance maladie is not carte vitale. Okay? Chaque personne a une carte vitale. Each person has its own carte vitale. And this carte vitale is where we use this one, healthcare, assurance maladie. Okay? The assurance maladie, if the consultation before it was 25, now it's 29 or 20 or 30, the assurance maladie pay only at least 16 euros, and the rest will be paid by us, or if you have your mutual, and then you will not pay. Okay? So you will not pay for the dépassement. So pour le dépassement de assurance maladie, it's your health insurance will pay. That is the mutual. Okay? That is the mutual will pay. The difference. And the assurance, la carte vitale, also pay also your medicines, your doctors and your medicines, accompanied by your mutual, your mutual. Okay, either CMU or IMU. If you have IMU, sometimes you don't pay at all. With CMU, IMU also. Okay, it depends. But again, you should go to convention. You check your doctor conventionnel A. Convention 1. It's not convention 2 et 3. Conventionnel 1 at saka conventional 2 and 3, no, because they are private. Of course, they are private. If you are able, you can be able to pay. Okay? For private doctors, minimum of 199 or 99, it depends. Okay? It depends on your doctor. But convention A, you don't need to pay for the dépassement. It's your assurance maladie and your ed medical or your mutual will pay. Okay, that? I hope it's clear. And please don't forget to like. At ang mga l'assurance maladie, Ca- Oh, carte vitale is only for the people who have papers, okay? Who have papers. The people who don't have papers, they cannot have it. But if you have a recipe, you can have all, you can ask already. Okay? I hope it's clear. And merci beaucoup. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, at mag-comment po for more videos. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir tout le monde. At ciao ciao.